You got one?
Yep.
Yeah.
I got him. That was funny.
Yes.
That's a better fish. Look at that.
That is a good one.
That's a good fish.
Oh,
That's a better one.
that is too funny.
You got a fish out. Ah, he's loose. He's free.
Up he goes. I got him on the camera. It's okay.
That was a better fish.
Let's see a good side angle on him too.
Suckers are slippery.
All right.
Good right now.
Hey guys, this is Alex Gervasi and Jeff Gervasi from Gervasi Outdoors, and today we have a trip out to Kennedy Meadows, Clark's Fork, and a little bit of Baker's.
Oh yeah.
Out here trout fishing for you guys, catching fish. All right, what are you using, Dad?
Using a salmon egg with a red hook. I'm using 3 weights. I'm using 2 medium ones and 1 small one. The small one's on the bottom to peg it really tight so that it doesn't move unless I want it to. So, and I'm using a number 10 or a 12 hook. Salmon eggs, Posky, green label, just like I did on the last program a few years ago. Same stuff. In this case, right now they're wanting 3 eggs. So I'm loading it up. And I'm putting 3 complete eggs on there. And then once I get them on, then I push them up in there so that the hook's just barely showing. That way I can cast it several times and not get hung up on the ground.
Sharp one. That's a goodie.
Suckers are slippery.
All right. You know why you're not catching a fish, right?
Why?
Now you will.
Got him. Whoa. Cameraman down.
What'd I tell you? I was on the wrong side of you. Probably.
Down one side. You want a picture of it?
Of course.
Slippery. Come on, buddy. Slippery. Slippery.
Yeah, guppy.
Welcome to YouTube, fishy.
Look at that.
That's a nice fish.
You need your fly?
Yep. There he goes. Oh, the jumper. I'm tired already. Right on my lip. Just barely even hooked. Whoop.
Yeah, off he goes.
Another one.
Got him. Gotta get him out of the rapid. That's a big one. No, it's not that big, but it's in the rapid.
I see him. Boy's bringing me this way.
Ta-da! You hammered it. It's long, not that long. Come here, little buddy. Come on. Little guy. Oh, he hammered it. Deep down his throat, cut the line. Here you go, buddy. I have to release. I really want it, but he's slipping.
He's swimming.
He's on the other side.
Yeah, other side of the rock.
Not very big, but it's a fish. Oh, quick release. Changing out this hook. What is that all about?
If you don't see it, you don't catch it.
I seen it!
They didn't.
We'll show the camera on it. Oh, there it goes. There goes somebody's Mountain Dew.
No! Get my dew! My dew!
Got me a fish. Got me a luncher.
Look at that, the big
yeah,
catch
caught
of
me
the
a
day.
dew. I caught me a dew.
It's a Mountain Dew.
Yes.
Oh, you only find these in the river?
Catch and release.
Oh man. Okay, it's a catch and release, really?
Yeah, it's catch and release river.
Oh, dang it.
Oh,